How to enable or disable the watch to turn on fitness focus automatically when starting a workout on the Apple Watch 9. First, press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Then press on the crown button again to go back to your home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Focus. Then go down and tap on Fitness. At the top, tap on when starting a workout. Tap on the toggle button to turn this feature off or turn it on. When this is on, and as soon as you start a workout, then fitness focus will automatically turn on. And when you finish the workout, it will switch off. And that's it. This is also a schedule. There is a schedule 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and this one will automatically turn on during this schedule. And that's it. So after that, you can press on the crown button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.